Hello and welcome to Photoshop. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to create a new document in Photoshop CS6 and save it as a Photoshop document. At first, click on the file, click on New or press Ctrl plus N on your keyboard. A dialog box will appear. This is the width and this is the height. I usually set the width as 1920 and height as 1080 and resolution as 72 pixels for my default design size. Press OK and your canvas is ready. To save it, click on File again, click on Save As or press Shift plus Ctrl plus S. I'm going to name it New and press Save to save it as a Photoshop document. Now your document has been saved.